Good morning, the students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you reciprocal of rational numbers. The first, what is reciprocal of rational numbers? Two rational numbers are called reciprocal if their product is 1. Reciprocal, in another word, we say multiplicative inverse. So let us start. Look at the board. Reciprocal of multiplicative inverse of a rational number. If the product of two rational numbers is 1, then each one is called the reciprocal of other. Then reciprocal of a by b is right b by a, then means a by b power minus 1 is equal to b right b by a. Example, reciprocal of 3 by 4. The reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3. B means the product of two rational numbers is when 3 by 4 multiply 4 by 3, 1. Reciprocal of 0. Only exception, 0 does not exist. Does not exist. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Or take any some more examples. So now let us start division of rational numbers. So start division of rational numbers. In division of rational numbers, first we take two rational numbers. Here we take first rational number a by b and c by d, such that in the case of division c by d is not is equal to 0. Means write this type, a by b divided c by d. Always c by d is not is equal to 0. Is equal a by b. Divide, change into, multiply. So write reciprocal of c by d. And lastly we convert into a by b into reciprocal of c by d. Opposite means d by c. For example, 4 by 12 divided 3 by 9 is equal to 4 by 12. Write as a same. Divide, convert into, multiply. So we write here reciprocal of 3 by 9 means 9 by 3. Lastly we cancel out 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12 upon 12 is equal to 1. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss some questions. Question number 1. In first question, divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. The first, rewrite in numerals 65 upon 12. Sum is plus sign, 8 by 3. Divided by, right symbol divided. Their difference means 65 by 12. Difference, b is the minus sign, 8 by 3. Is it clear? Okay. First we take the LCM 12 and 3. The 12, here write 65 plus 32. Here write divide symbols. Take the LCM 12 and 3, 12. 65 minus 32. 65 plus 32, 97 upon 12. Divide. 65 minus 32, the right 33 upon 12. Next, 97 upon 12. divide symbol change into multiplication. So we write the reciprocal of 33 by 12 means 12 upon 33. 12 cancel out. Lastly we get 97 upon 33. This is your required answer. Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, the product of two rational numbers is minus 16 by 9 if one of them numbers is minus 4 by 3. Find the other. First we let the other number is equal to x. According to question, one number is minus 4 by 3. Other number is x. The product of two numbers given minus 16 by 9. Here x is equal to minus 16 upon 9 divided 4 upon minus 4 upon 3. Is it clear? Okay. Minus 16 upon 9. Here is multiplication symbol. The reciprocal of minus 4 by 3. Minus 3 upon 4. 4 4 ja 16. 3 3 ja 9. Minus minus plus. Here lastly we get 4 by 3. Thus the other number is equal to 4 upon 3. Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, how many pieces each of length 3 whole 3 by 4 meter can be cut from a rope of length 30 meter? So here we find out number of pieces is equal to total length of rope given 30 meter divided each of length 3 whole 3 by 4. So write 3 whole 3 by 4. 30 divide change into improper 4 3 are 12 12 plus 3 15 by 4. 30 multiply reciprocal of 15 by 4 4 by 15. 15 2 ja 30 is equal to 8. Hence number of pieces is equal to 8. Now let us discuss question number 4 and last question. In question number 4, given the cost of 2 whole 1 by 2 meters of cloth is 70 whole 3 by 4 rupees. Find the cost of cloth per meter. So here given cost of 2 whole 1 by 2 meter of cloth is equal to 78 whole 3 by 4. Any doubt? No. So we find out cost of per meter means 1 meter. The cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to 78 whole 3 by 4 divided 2 whole 1 by 2. First we multiply 78 into 4 or plus 3. 315 upon 4 divide 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 by 2. 315 upon 4. Here we write multiply symbol. So we find reciprocal of 5 by 2. So 2 by 5. 2 to the 4. 6 5 ja 30 or 5 3 ja 15 is equal to 63 upon 2. Hence cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to 63 by 2 rupees. Yeah, other write in mixed fraction. 3 2 ja 6 1 31 whole 1 by 2 rupees. This is your required answer. Lastly, I hope you will complete the exercise with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.